I've got no use for that.
Oh. I'm gonna need a minute. Hey guys, this episode is gonna be awesome. Matt's Off-Road Recovery comes to visit the BleepinJeep headquarters. But before we get to that, I have a special announcement to make. BleepinJeep is starting a new channel called BleepinJeep Versus, and you guys are gonna get a chance to win $1,000 for every episode that drops. It's gonna be totally awesome. We've got head-to-head between YouTubers. We've got Matt's Off-Road Recovery. We've got Holly with Mischief Maker. We've got Robbie Layton that's gonna come and do one. We've already filmed a whole bunch of episodes, and all those episodes are gonna drop just like a Netflix special all at once, and then we're gonna do at least one a month after that. What I want you to do to be entered to win the $1,000 per episode, I need you to subscribe to this channel and hit the blue bell on the BleepinJeep channel. And then down below in the description and in the comments, I'm gonna leave a link to the BleepinJeep Versus channel. I need you to go over there, subscribe, and hit the bell over there. If you do both of those things, then you will be eligible to win the $1,000 per episode when those videos drop. There's gonna be a little Easter egg. You gotta find that, leave a comment. There'll be more about that upcoming. But I just want to make sure that you guys are subscribed and hit that bell, so when we start dropping videos over there on BleepinJeep Versus, you guys will be the first to know. I look forward to it. So we have this behemoth of an air compressor. Look how tall that is. It's very top heavy. We need to get this outside. Let me show you where it needs to go. So we've discussed different ways to do this. One of them was ancient alien sound technology.
Yep.
Rent some sort of a forklift boom attachment thing, put wheels on it, and try to roll it out here. Roll it on PVC pipes.
We thought up a bunch of really bad ideas, and then we picked the worst one, is pretty much what it comes out to.
Yeah, so we're gonna give this a shot. Our thinking is that we can put it on a sled. Okay, here is our contraption. Place your bets now. Do you think this is gonna work?
I think there's about 5 reasons why it's not going to work. I just saw right here.
724 pounds.
We're thinking about 400.
300 pounds trying to move. 724 pounds. Doesn't have enough torque. All right, guys, good morning. Today we've got a lot to do. We've got to get ready for Smoky Mountain Jeep invasion.
Yep.
We've got some wheels and tires to put on. We got some vehicles to move, and Matt's Off-Road Recovery's coming over. They've got a few repairs to make before the invasion as well. We got to get the Scorpion cleaned up, and these.
Dubs.
What's in here?
Dubs.
Oh, dang. Look at that. I don't think my Scorpion's ever had anything that fancy.
Nice and chrome for Valhalla.
Special guest at the BleepinJeep residence.
That'll be a good day. Anybody loaned you these wheels, man, they were a good friend.
The person who packaged them up.
Oh yeah, Skeeter packed them. They get here safe and sound?
They did. They're a little wallered out, but
Oh yeah.
they're working good. All right, so I decided I was going to get into the towing game to compete with you.
Okay.
This is my new extraction vehicle right here.
Here's your off-road recovery rig, huh?
Yeah.
This is a purpose-built recovery rig then, is what you're gonna do.
No, it's already there, you see?
Oh yeah, but okay.
Can't have nice Dr. Peppers around here without getting them yanked.
Yep. Pinched this. You know what I do, Colt? I do it the right way, but then I show it the wrong way on film to give them something to talk about. Working hard.
Matt says I've got my shop all wrong because there's no office chairs in the shop. But the office chairs are in the office because when you're in the shop, you don't want to be officing.
Supposed to be working is what he says.
We each get one shot if you don't make it. Whoever makes it wins.
Yes. The proper way to mount dubs.
Okay, here he goes. Oh, we got it first try. Dang it.
Here's the reason why we like race lines. Look at how thick that beadlock ring is. That's stout. You look at everybody else's beadlock rings and look at how thick this one is. Big boy.
Pop! Pop! Did you see me helping?
He's hooked on Dr. Pepper. This is his second Dr. Pepper of the morning.
I don't know what it is.
You've changed.
Yeah, there's a Mountain Dew in there.
Why are you spraying the wheel? I didn't spray the wheel.
I gotta have all the advantage I can get.
He's setting himself up for success.
It's like stacking rocks before you climb the obstacle.
I can barely lift the wheel, okay?
Have Stucker stand behind you.
You can do it. Oh yeah.
Tucker.
Hurry, hurry. Oh yeah. Thank you, Tucker.
You're so welcome.
Alright guys, we're at the Invasion here. Look how busy it is. It's nuts out here.
It's a lot.
Matt's Off-Road Recovery is right across from us. Skeeter over there came and bought a green BleepinJeep hat.
But he messed up. That's not brand for Matt's Off-Road Recovery.
Yeah, that's Lizzie's hat. We thought he needs a yellow hat, so this is the yellowest hat that we have. We're gonna go surprise Skeeter with this. Look at the line. They have a line out the door of people.
Hey,
Skeeter!
Ah,
You bought the wrong color
I
hat.
did.
We
I like
brought
the
you a
green.
yellow.
I like the green, but we're yellow, so I needed to go with
Yeah.
Matt's
Lindsay
Off-Road
wears
yellow.
green. You gotta be on brand.
That's right.
So we're gonna switch over.
He tried to steal your color.
Oh boy, that's not good. That's not
We
allowed.
fixed it. We fixed it.
Yellow and yellow. Is that better?
There we go.
That's a
Now,
problem solver.
now you got it.
That's what we do here in America.
BleepinJeep.com.
Yeah. Yeah. You see this Dr. Pepper? When you weren't looking, you, Matt, behind the camera, this Matt may have snuck behind the scenes and grabbed this out of our cooler. I'm just saying. And he says it tastes way better now.
Stolen Dr.
He
Pepper's
stole
the
it
best.
because it's colder over there than it is on this side of the aisle. What do you got there?
Just a little Dr. Pepper cooler for you. We know how much you love it. So.
Awesome.
Two
There's
cold
even Dr. Pepper in there. You guys are the best.
Like I said, thank y'all for y'all's videos.
Nice. Appreciate that.
Saved us so much money.
Oh yeah.
Thank you. Thank you guys. Check this out. That is awesome. I'm gonna give you guys some stuff. Here's a shirt. Let me get you something else.
Matt will say he only drinks 2 Dr. Peppers a day. He had his second Dr. Pepper by 9 a.m. this morning.
Check it out, guys. We're at the Jeep Invasion. This is Luxie, and she entered to win and won this smart TV.
Thank you.
Check that out. That is awesome.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Hope you're having a good
stoked.
time out here. It's so busy. It's so packed. Look at this. It's crazy. But thank you for coming out.
Thank you for the TV.
Hope you enjoy it. You didn't see or hear anything.
Good morning. Today, I don't think it needs to be changed anyway. Today we're doing a water pump in the Morvair because they don't make one to last more than 250,000 miles apparently.
Yeah.
I don't even know how many miles.
That's crap. That's crap, GM. 250K. That's all we can
China.
It's,
I don't know if that's a big enough crescent wrench, Matt. Probably won't fit.
yeah, let's adjust that for you. Did it?
Yeah.
Okay, so Matt got this rad compressor. Problem is it's like 800 pounds. Tuck and I are only good for about 350 a piece. Once you're past the 700 pound point, we're done. Matt has
A different Matt.
a different Matt has a plan.
It's actually Tucker's plan. We're just executing it.
It's gonna pull the whole tree over. Good.
All right, so phase 1 of Tucker's plan went well. We've got the compressor right here. Phase 2 is going to be to hook a snatch block to that tree. We're going to hook to this 650 pound compressor, or 800 pound, I don't know how big it is. We've got to get it all the way over here, past all these obstacles. Then we're eventually going to get it right there. That is just awful. I've got no use for that. Oh.
I'm gonna need a minute.
Saved it.
Which way? This way?
Well, here, let's pick it up again and shove it over. Okay, now shove it over there as far as you can. Yeah, like that. Okay. Oh, that was really good, even though I wasn't ready for you. I'm gonna go around to the other side and pull.
Okay. Turn in and come this way. A little bit. There you go. That's good. So we moved over to this side. We are currently dragging Matt's air compressor because Matt's gone and we had nothing to do. So more Matt and Tucker and myself and now Caleb have decided that we are going to get this compressor mounted on the back of their garage that him and Josh couldn't do themselves because they got wee little arms and wee little plans. So
Holly? Is Holly here? Hi, Holly. We love you. You and Walter.
and just because you're bigger and stronger doesn't mean you have to use your arms. We're going to use a winch.
No. You can't slide that towards the shop?
We're gonna try.
Look how strong you guys are. Those guys are strong. Okay, now we just need to stand it up. Except for that's a huge problem. Does this even fit here? Did Matt measure it?
Well, I have a feeling he measured it, turned this way.
Right in here.
Yeah.
You want to stand
Snatch
it
it
up
from
and
the
rotate
top.
it?
Well, hey, I'm thinking about standing it up this way, because that's where you snatch it. Like
Oh, like rotate the whole thing around. Easy there, kid.
Gravel.
this. Our Trevor stand-in. I guess that's an oxymoron to have a Trevor stand-in.
Oh, Trevor, you were burned.
Trevor's not even here.
Oh, I bet he felt it though.
Felt it just like this.
Sorry, Trevor.
I don't think it's funny, Trevor.
As long as you're not hurt, Trevor, I think it's funny every time. I'm gonna be honest.
We could take the compressor head off. We could rebuild it.
We could take this back to wherever Matt got it from.
Get a smaller one.
By the
Money
right-
Here's what we do. We tell Matt to spend another 30 bucks on cement and come out
Yeah.
wider here. And
Yeah.
then pour it,
It was
wait
like-
a couple days, and then you could just stand it up with the winch
Yeah.
and then turn it. I mean, it's just a thought.
That's I can see what it is. Like, oh, it's 28 1/4 inches, and so he cuts it to 28 1/4.
Yeah.
You got a Freedom winch line.
Prototype. Version 1.0.
Link in the description.
Like, I've been working that on the Morvair and the Banana, the 12,000-pound winch. Like working them, and it's just been amazing.
You see the one on the Banana, the rope's square. Oh gosh! We're getting super close to that good idea.
Now we're all going to get under a suspended load.
Alright, so
I don't know where we're getting here.
Things are getting sketchier and sketchier here. But we've wiggled this into this position. We've reestablished our snatch block up there on the tree. And Tucker and Colt are going to show us what they're made of.
How would the ancient Egyptians do it?
I know how.
Oh my gosh.
Camera?
Is it moving the whole car? Is it that heavy that the car is moving? Yeah.
Now we need you.
Okay, come in.
Holy Toledo, okay, I'm gonna let it out. Nope.
That's it. Keep going.
Okay. Hold on, this rocket. We're not going on with that. Matt,
Let it out a little.
There it is.
Matt, keep it from falling that way.
Kind of
Rotate
okay.
rotate it the right way. No, the right way.
That is the right way.
No, the other way. Holy crud.
That's so perfect.
We're winners.
If it wasn't so hot and humid, we would bump chests
Yeah.
like real men.
Like old school mosh pits. You take your shirt off, basketball skins for shirts.
All right, well, that's it for this week's installment of how to move an air compressor into an impossible spot using all the incorrect techniques and practices. Join us next week.
I hope Bob Vila comes in and tells us exactly what we did wrong.
Join us next week where you'll see us do the right thing the wrong way again.
People don't believe me that I'm a Star Wars nerd. This is Bo Bear Fett. He's my new best friend.